Guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this absolutely amazing Minecraft Park Edition add-on. It's actually going to allow me to head to the SLENDERMAN dimension. If you guys actually want to go ahead and head to the SLENDERMAN dimension for yourself, the name of the add-on is the Minecraft Park Edition SLENDERMAN dimension add-on, guys. Wow, that was a long name. But everything you guys are going to need to head to this absolutely amazing dimension is inside this one beautiful, glorious chest right here, guys. So what you guys are going to need first to head to this dimension is you're going to need 10 black wool. You're also going to need fur white wool, and you're also going to need flint and steel to light it all up. But you probably want to make sure that you don't end up accidentally lighting up your butt, and if you do, you want to make sure that you have some enchanted golden apples. I'm also bringing along a puffer fish for good luck, so hopefully the SLENDERMAN does not try to sneak up on me and choke me out with his weird-looking hands. I'm also bringing along some eggs in case I have to have his grandmother suck on them, and I'm also bringing along a chicken, a cow, a pig, and a villager to hopefully kick his butt, guys. I'm also bringing along a fishing rod because you never know when a tall man's going to want to fish. So let's go ahead and let's head to this absolutely scary and terrifying but somewhat amazing dimension, guys. So what you want to do first, you want to stick 2 white wools on each side, then you want to stick 2 black wool in the middle, then you just want to go ahead, jump on up and put 3 black wool on this side, so 1, 2, 3, and then you just want to go ahead and put 1 white wool on top, and then you probably want to look around. Make sure that you don't see the no-face man anywhere, guys, because he could be that chicken. But I highly doubt it, guys. But you just want to make sure that you look around and you don't see him anywhere. That would be so scary if he came out of that water, but I don't think he's anywhere around here, so let's jump on down. Ooh, that was a bad landing, guys. In order to build this other side, you just want to go ahead and put 3 black wool, then 2 black wool in the middle, and then 1 white wool on this side. Boom, shablang. So now you just want to jump on down and take a look at your amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just built. Let's go ahead and light this baby up and see what it looks like. Boom! Yow's my trousers. Wow, that looks amazing, guys. Let's go ahead and head on in to the mystery chest. That's right, guys. And wow, there's TNT and there's also lava, guys. So we might be burning the SLENDERMAN. But probably not, because he's way too scary to try to burn with lava. He would probably just spit it back at us. But let's go ahead and get all the way back and get ready to head into this absolutely amazing, scary, terrifying dimension, guys. Ooh, I totally missed that. Let's go ahead and jump back in. And I'm telling you guys, I'm going to feed his grandmother these eggs. Just watch me, guys. Oh my god, what is this? Oh my god, wow, that loaded up quick. And oh my god, where are we, guys? I'm kind of afraid. If he comes at me, I'm going to hit him in the face with a flint and steel. Whoa. Whoa, there's a big lake out here, guys. At least I can take a bath and scrub up my cheeks before I go out. Before I go out, guys. But I'm telling you, I think he's somewhere around here, guys. I think he's hiding in these woods somewhere. I'm not for sure, though, guys. It looks like there's a light right there. That's probably where I have to go. Let's go ahead and head on up there. Oh, my God. There's a cabin. There is a abandoned cabin over there, guys. Oh, my God. I was not expecting that, guys. I was not expecting that. This must be his cabin. Oh my god, there's smoke coming out of the top. How cool is that, guys? It's kind of cool, but it's also kind of scary. It looks like there's a dog on the perch. So let's go ahead and try to sneak on up and say what's up to the dog. I don't see him anywhere around, guys. I don't know why he would leave a nice cabin like this, because this is a pretty nice cabin. And this looks like a pretty nice dog, too, guys. Like, this could be my dog. I wish I had a bone right now because I would tame him. And then the SLENDERMAN would probably get upset, though. And he'd probably try to come out here and kick my butt. And probably make his dog eat me. I'm not really for sure. But wow, inside his house looks amazing. Kind of small. Kind of on the small side. But still, it looks pretty amazing in there, guys. But let's go ahead and try to sneak around. because I actually want to get some of his vegetables. Let's go ahead and take a potato. Let's go ahead and take another potato and some carrots. We will leave him, you know, at least one carrot because we're not that bad of a guy. We'd be like a super bad guy to take all of his carrots. But let's go ahead and look through his windows because that's the right thing to do. And it looks like nobody's in there, so this is more than likely a abandoned cabin. Oh my god. I was just thinking, like, what if he snuck up behind me and, like, lifted me up into the air and, like, started punching me in the face? It'd be pretty funny, but it would be pretty scary at the same time. At the same time, guys. But let's go ahead and head on into this place because I'm not afraid of no Slender Man. I really am afraid of Slender Man, but I'm afraid to act like I'm not. Wow, there's nothing in this chest. Let's go ahead and look in the other chest, guys. Oh, there's a potato. There's a rose. Obviously, he's going to give this to a slender woman, if you know what I mean. There's also an oak sapling. Let's go ahead and try to put our potatoes in the oven. Let's go ahead and try to cook them. I'm going to leave them on 350. So let's go ahead and just leave them on 350. And let's go ahead and head on up the staircase, guys, and see what's up here. Oh my god. It's him. The no-face man. Take that. Take that. Take that. Boom, 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 boom. Oh my god, why is he not punching me? And why is he not dying? And why is he dressed so well? Like he's going out to do a job. Maybe he does have a job. Does he have a job? I don't know. Take that. You know, take... I want to hit him, but then I don't want to hit him because I don't want him to start hitting me. Let's go ahead and just blow him up with some TNT, guys. That's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to blow him up with some TNT. And you better not touch my potatoes, mister. You got that? If you touch my potatoes, I'll knock you out. I will. I will knock you out. Let's go ahead and light that TNT, guys. Oh my god, did he make it disappear? Whoa, that was freaky, guys. And oh my god, now he's in a fight with Spider. Who will win? Who will win? Him or the Slender Man? Come on, Spider. Ooh, he hit Spider-Man. Ooh, he hit Spider-Man again. Ooh, he killed Spider-Man. How could you do that? How could you do that, Slender Man? Or should I call you? Oh my god, now he's hitting me. No face, man. You're not going to get away with this one. You destroyed what I loved most, and now suck on these eggs. Wow, that didn't kill him. It didn't kill him. Now I'm going to have to pull out my diamond sword and face him like a man. Let's go ahead. Boom, take that. Oh my god, I think I just hit him in the brain. Let's hit him in the brain again. Oh, you want some? Take that. We actually killed him, guys. Wow, and we also saved our lovely potato, guys. From that evil, evil man. But I am kind of sad because my potatoes didn't get fully done because the oven never really even heated up. And that makes me really sad, but I'm going to look in his chest and see what he got. Looks like he has a bowl. He has bone meal. He has a torch. He also has Herobrine's head and a human bone. Oh my god, he must have killed Herobrine. Wow, I cannot believe he killed Herobrine. Can you believe that little doggy? But this is my doggy now, guys. Slenderman is not getting back his dog. I'm keeping this dog. I'll probably rebuild this cabin. Hopefully, he does not come back and try to kill me, though. Because I think he's already dead, so how did I kill him? I don't think I really did, guys. But let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing dimension down in the comment section below. And also let me know what dimension you guys want to see me head to next. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.